Now, before we start this video, you might be wondering, what is this place? Well, this is my backyard. And why are we outside? It's because this ain't any normal like stuffy collection or anything like that. It is actually a pool toy collection. Well, that's like a pool toy, more like water toys. But let's get started with the first thing, which is this monster guy. It's one of the very first. So what you do with it is you like put it in here, and then you put this up. Okay, you put it in there, and then do that, and then take it out, and then do that, and it sprays out the water. It's pretty cool. I have no idea where we got this guy though, so the next one is this cool like water frisbee, which is called the Aqua Splash. So you like put it in here, I think you squeeze it a little bit, and then once it's all filled up, you throw it, and it sprays water everywhere. Obviously, we don't want water all over the camera, so I'm not gonna do that again, just to be safe. Well, if you squeeze it, water comes out. I don't know if that's supposed to happen. I don't think that's its original use, but it's something you can do. So the next one is these balls, and these are like little sponges. Actually, they're less like balls, more like little rounded squares. So you put them in water, squeeze them, take them out, squeeze them, and they spray out the water. Next one is these water guns. So it's not filled up right now, but I'm going to do that right now. These two are the same things, they're just different colors. So this is my favorite one, blue and purple. Let's put this in the water. So as you can see, it does that. And then you take it out and you do this thing, and then it sprays out water. Oh, first we have to close this thing. It's leaking. There's water coming out. Okay. Wait, this ball is over here. A square. I'll also put this one there. It's because, and the next one are these amazing water balloons. So you may think these aren't water balloons, they're just like some little balls. But these are meant to be water balloons. Official bunch of balloons by Zoo. And the cool thing about these things is that you fill it up with water, just dip it in there, and throw it. But unlike a regular water balloon, which would normally just break and that's the end of it, these are reusable. So not only are they great water balloons and reusable, but also they're friendly to the environment. Earth is happy about these creations. So in order to refill them, you just put them in here, close it, and then it's all refilled with water. And also, you can do this. I don't know why that's so funny, it just kind of is. And we got a whole bunch. This is one of the new ones. This is one of our newest of these water balloons. We'll get on to the new ones first. So this is a new one. This is a new one. This and this are new ones. This is a new, no, this is a new one. This is a new one, and this is new. And these are the old ones that we first had. These ones are very new. We just got them yesterday, actually. And they came in this little bag. I don't know why they were in this bag. But these are the old ones. And I'm pretty sure there's more, which is this hose. There, you might have seen this hose in one of our videos before called The Hose Man, a very old video, 2023 was when it was made. So let's just see all of these powers. This isn't actually the hose. This is like a cool thing that comes on the hose. So let's see all the powers it has.
Want me to hold it?
Sure.
Want me to hold the phone?
You can hold the phone. So, we're starting with jet. Oh, okay. Flower. Oh, you can't even see it. It's like a mist. Sweep. It's like shaped in like a vacuum almost. Shrub. This one sucks. I don't even know why that's there. Rinse. Garden. This is my favorite. Garden. Clean. My second favorite. Soft wash. And that's it. Let's see how they make it. So jet, it has like a cool little thing, like a gear. Flower, it's like a little hole. Sweep. It is kind of like the shape of a vacuum cleaner. Shrub, which is nothing. I think it comes out of these little things. Let's test it. Yep, it does. Rinse, which is similar to jet, but it's bigger. Garden. Oh wait, I think it comes out here. Yep. Garden. No. Clean. It has like 4 little. No. I don't know. Oh, lots of dots. Soft wash. It's like this thing. That's the end of the hose. I'm pretty sure there's another thing, but I don't know where it went. It was like a cool Elmo thing. And you could like put it on the hose and it used to spin around, but it doesn't anymore. I don't know what happened. Oh, we have the Elmo. Woo! So there's like a bunch of stuff that comes out of him. So I think water comes out of there. I don't think that's supposed to come out there. The water comes out of there and out of this little cell. I think this makes the water stronger. Actually, I think these are meant to be there.
Want me to attach it?
Uh-huh. We shall pause the video while we attach it. Okay, got the Elmo set up. He's over there. That's just, see ya? So there's the hose right there, connects in there. And then we're gonna turn, first I'm gonna step on these things.
Don't get your foot in it.
Okay. Now let's turn on the hose. Sometimes he still spins out, but yeah, he's extremely old. He's an old man.
Old and
Oh no, he's okay. That's something that scares me. He's air bubbling. He's fighting. He said stop fighting soon. But he's going. And I remember in 2024 I had this little thing where I like go under, hop over, and stuff like that. Okay, there he is. I'm kind of nervous that he's gonna start spinning the second I get close to him, because the water's kind of cold. But I'm just gonna be brave. I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, there he is. Honestly, I kind of want him to start spinning all of a sudden. But at the same time, I don't. And now I'm kind of more scared that he's gonna start spinning. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Okay, there he is. He's there. Okay, let's drink the water. Just kidding. I don't want to drink hose water. That's probably yucky. But I think we're just gonna leave Elmo running in the background. So that is the end of our collection. If you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button if you want to. But first, we'll do the outro in order to say all that stuff. Who shall do the outro? It shall be this ball, because that's my favorite. Oh no, there's water on the camera. Okay, it's off. Hold on. That is the end of our video, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button. Or you can check out our channel if you want to. Whoa. Oh. Anyways,